Hi, I'm CapSam. Are you confused about conjugates? Then you're in the right place. Let's get started. In a previous video, we talked about foiling radical expressions. So let's take a look at this example. We know that we're supposed to do the first term, the outside term, the inside term, and the last term. If we add like terms at this point, we'll see that the negative 4 square roots of 3 and the positive 4 square roots of 3 become 0. This is going to be 13. Let's look at another example. 5 plus 6 square roots of 2 and 5 minus 6 square roots of 2. Again, we're going to FOIL. First term is going to be 25. The outside term is going to be minus 30 square roots of 2 plus 30 square roots of 2 for the inside term. And then the last term, well, that's going to be minus 36 times 2, which that'll end up being 72. If we look here, again, we have like terms. This negative 30 square roots of 2 and positive 30 square roots of 2 are going to become 0. So we're going to get 25 minus 72, which, if my math is correct, is going to be negative 47. Now you might see that there are some similarities in what we are multiplying here. You have two terms, the same two terms, but with different signs in the middle. The same two terms, but with different signs in the middle. Whenever you see these things with radicals, we call those conjugates. And you can see that when we multiply them, in both of these cases, the inside and the outside terms added up to 0. So it's a shortcut you can use when multiplying conjugates is you can kind of ignore the outside and the inside terms and just worry about the first and the last terms of FOIL. And it'll get you there a little bit faster. Let's look at an example where we use the shortcut. So let's do 7 minus the square root of 5 and 7 plus the square root of 5. Again, same terms, but with a different sign in the middle. I can just do the first term, 49, and the last term, negative 5, and that's going to give me 44. The outside and the inside terms, again, would go away, become 0, so we can just do this when you're multiplying conjugates. Let's have you try one on your own. Let's do 2 plus the square root of 7 and 2 minus the square root of 7. You can pause the video, and when you come back, we will check your answer. All right, you should have gotten negative 3 for that one. Let's do another try, a little more complicated one. Let's do 5 times the square root of 3 plus 6, and its conjugate, 5 times the square root of 3 minus 6. Go ahead and pause the video and check your answer when you come back. All right, you should have gotten 39 for that answer. And just taking a look at all of the problems that we've done here, you might have noticed something. All of the problems ended up with an answer that was a rational number. And that might be something that's interesting for a future video, so keep an eye out for that. Again, if you were confused about conjugates, I hope you found yourself in the right place.